Have you ever pondered about the silent invaders that are drastically altering Libya's unique ecosystem? These invisible invaders are known as invasive species, and they're causing a global stir. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the desert, they're making themselves at home, often with devastating consequences. Take Libya as a case in point. Two such invaders have taken hold here: the Sahara mustard plant and the Nile tilapia fish. These seemingly innocent species are more than just newcomers. They are ecological bullies, pushing out native species and disrupting the delicate balance of nature. The fallout isn't just ecological, it's economic too, impacting agriculture, fishing, and tourism. Even our health isn't immune, with some invasive species bringing new diseases or exacerbating existing conditions. But it's not all doom and gloom. We're not powerless in the face of these invaders. Now, let's delve deeper into the specific impacts of these uninvited guests in Libya. Imagine a plant so resilient it can thrive in the harshest of conditions, outcompeting native species and altering the ecosystem. This is the Sahara mustard plant. Brought to Libya from the arid plains of North Africa, this plant has since spread like wildfire across the country. Its rapid growth and ability to survive in harsh environments give it an edge over native plants, outcompeting them for resources and significantly altering the landscape. But the Sahara mustard's impact goes beyond simply outcompeting native plants. Its presence changes the soil chemistry, making it less hospitable for native species. It also alters fire regimes, making fires more frequent and destructive. However, all is not lost. Efforts are being made to control the spread of the Sahara mustard. From pulling them out by hand to developing biological controls, these strategies aim to protect Libya's unique ecosystems from this invasive plant. As we see, the Sahara mustard is not just a plant, but a major disruptor in Libya's ecosystem. But it's not alone. From dry land, we move to water. Meet the Nile tilapia, a fish that's causing ripples in Libya's aquatic ecosystems. This fish, native to Africa's longest river, the Nile, was introduced to Libyan waters as a means to bolster the local fish industry. However, it has spread far beyond its intended boundaries. The Nile tilapia is a voracious eater and breeder, outcompeting native fish species for resources. Its rapid reproduction rates and adaptability give it an edge, leading to a decline in the diversity of Libya's aquatic life. But the effects don't stop there. Changes in the fish population impact the structure and function of aquatic ecosystems, altering habitats and the species that depend on them. Local fisheries are feeling the pinch too, as these tenacious tilapias disrupt the balance of species that fishermen rely on. But hope is not lost. Efforts are underway to control the spread of this invasive species, employing methods like targeted fishing and habitat modification. As with the Sahara mustard, the Nile tilapia's impact goes beyond its immediate environment, rippling out to affect the entire ecosystem. The Sahara mustard and the Nile tilapia are just two examples of the many invasive species that threaten Libya's ecosystems. To recap, these species disrupt local habitats, outcompete native species, and alter ecosystems. The urgency to control their spread is paramount. Libya is combating this ecological predicament with measures like biological control and public awareness campaigns. The battle against invasive species is tough, but with concerted efforts and awareness, we can help protect Libya's rich biodiversity for future generations.